doing one of our Blue Apron meals. We're trying out for the first time. We're making a lamb and beef dish. It calls for 4 cloves of garlic. I want to share this neat little trick with you. Basically, we're going to break apart a couple of cloves of garlic's worth, put them in a metal bowl, and we want to peel them. And a cool way is you take a second bowl, right? So you take the pieces of garlic, put it in there, whole cloves, take a second bowl, and you crush it, right? Crush it. And then what you do is to peel them, you don't do manual work. What you do is you just flip the bowls, and then you shake it. Shake it really hard for 30 seconds. And then if you look at the outcome, is that magically all the peels, garlic peels, will come off. And that's how you peel garlic. Bon appetit.